Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you reset your AirPods Pro if you have got them from your friend or somebody else and you want to remove the previous information and previous ownership of your AirPods and you want to turn off Find My on your AirPods. So guys, for that you will have to simply reset your AirPods to factory settings so that you can connect them again as fresh on your device. So guys, simply here you can see this, it's showing up John's AirPods and I have bought them from my friend John, and now I want to reset them on my name. You will have to simply close the box and then open it again, and when you open this, here you see a button in the back side. You will have to simply press this button for 30 seconds, and after this your AirPods will be reset to factory settings and the previous information and ownership will be removed from your AirPods. So guys, let's close the box for one time and then open it again, and here you see a button. Press this for 30 seconds and wait for 30 seconds, and after this your AirPods will reset to factory settings and the previous ownership will also be removed from your AirPods. So that's so simple. If you want to remove the previous information and ownership on your AirPods, you will have to simply reset your AirPods. So guys, after this your AirPods will be reset to your factory settings. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.